the issue with a 9 to 5 job, and I don't shit on 9 to 5 jobs. They're good. If you're working hard, great for you. But you're limited. This is something that frustrated me whenever I had a regular job, was I was limited to that one job. And yeah, I could have another job, but it's like the amount of hours I would have to trade. As a freelancer, you get paid for the results you give them. Meaning, if I can sit down and, example, I can write an email for a client of mine in like 10 minutes. So, okay, well, I've got 24 hours. Outside of that, let's say I have 10 hours that I could actually work. Great. Well, I could have way more clients than I could possibly handle at that point. And then obviously you could get into hiring people and all that. But to get back to the point, you're getting paid for the results. You're getting paid, you could say a salary, but it's basically a retainer or a salary to do X amount of work every single month. So this client pays you $1,000 a month to say, let's say you edit a video a day is what you edit every single day for them. You edit a video for them, or you turn it in once a week. So like 7 days worth of videos, and then boom, that client's done. Now you take on another client, you charge them $1,000, you charge them $1,500, whatever you want to charge for that exact same service, or whatever. You can customize it to fit them. So in theory, you could have 3, 4, 5 clients. You're charging $1,000, $2,000, however much your offer can demand, obviously, because they need to get more of the benefit than you. Like example, if some guy paid me $5,000 to write his emails, but he was only making $1,000, it doesn't really make sense for me to be charging him $5,000. On the other hand, if he's paying me $5,000, he's making 15, 20, 30, 50 grand, well, it just makes sense. So as long as what you're asking, they get way more than what you're asking, you'll be good. And you could have 3 or 4 clients paying you a couple grand a month each. And yeah, you're making a quote unquote salary. I just call it a retainer. That's how much they have to pay you to retain your service. In theory, you could scale it up to whatever your income is, or whatever your income you want, 10, 15, 20, whatever it is.